What's going on, YouTube? And today I'm going to be actually painting not my calipers but my lug bolts. They have been looking very sad. I could just replace them, but for a quick DIY kind of thing, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can really see, but they are looking rusty. And nothing wrong with them, nothing damaged or anything like that. I just want them to look a lot better. That's pretty much it. So that's all we're gonna be doing here. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do to rejuvenate my lug bolts. I already got this side off, and I already took the proper measures. I already sanded down the ends here, and I use brake clean to wash them off. All I need to do is just paint them. But what I need to do is that I want to tape off the threads, because you do not want to get paint on them. It'll gunk up the threads, mess up torque specs, could mess up the threads. So definitely want to tape them off. So I'll catch you guys when I tape them off. All right, guys, so now that I got it taped off, here's an example right here. I got it taped off, and what I'm going to be using is just black paint that I already had from previous caliper painting on different cars. Just gonna use some engine enamel. Honestly, any black paint is gonna work for this. It's just your lug bolts. Like I said, eventually I'm gonna replace them, maybe, I don't know. It's kind of a minor cosmetic thing to do, and honestly, paying like $60 or $70 for something that really only I'm gonna really notice, because especially with having, you know, black wheels, it's gonna not really show anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and start painting. So obviously you guys are gonna want to let it dry. I'm gonna speed it up by using a heat gun here. Got it at Harbor Freight, as you see, kind of already falling apart. So I'm gonna just go ahead and speed up the process here. So honestly, I'm just gonna hit these with 2 coats because I'm not really worried about full coverage. It's more of just the top, you know, that is the most appealing here. So that's all I'm gonna be really focusing on. So just 2 coats. Not gonna really trip about full coverage or anything like that. Just more of the top is what I'm more worried about. And here's a new look of them. Like I said, I was more concerned about the top here, but I mean, obviously, if you take your time, if you really want full coverage, I mean, go ahead. But like I said, I just wanted to get the rust look and have them look better, man. Just look better, you know what I mean? This is just a cheap, you know, cosmetic modification that you can do to your car. So, and especially if you already have paint around. I mean, if you got paint, do it. If you don't got paint, I mean, you could buy a can or buy new lugs, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with these. It's just cosmetic look. So I mean, just paint them. I mean, it's like, you don't need to buy new lugs if you don't need to, unless you want new lugs or another set. I mean, do what you want, but in this scenario, I didn't need new lugs. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put them on the car. All right, and look at that, guys. I know my wheels are very dirty. I'm gonna be getting a wash. So, but as you can see, or you can't see, they look a lot better now. So this is a quick little thing. I mean, you could paint them any color you want. It doesn't have to be black. I mean, obviously you guys know that, but you can paint them whatever color you want. Oh my God, this is dirty. Yeah, I gotta wash this car. But yeah, you can paint them any color you want. Make sure you torque them down, and you're pretty much set. I mean, this is just a quick video on how to paint some lug nuts. So no big deal, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.